Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the SSD interface and your motherboard's slot. This drives the rest of the process. Once confirmed, power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap so components remain safe. Make a quick backup and bootable recovery USB. This prevents data loss if you need to revert. Next, remove the case panel and locate the drive bay or M2 slot. Take out any brackets or heat sinks. This first set of steps gets you physically ready to install the drive. You gently insert the SSD into the slot or connect the 2.5-inch drive with a SATA cable and screw it down. Secure mounting prevents movement and heat issues. Once seated, boot into BIOS or UEFI, enable NVMe or OSI as required, set the new drive as a recognized device, and update firmware if recommended to improve stability and performance. After that, boot into your OS installer or disk manager to initialize. Create a GPT partition table for UEFI and format the partitions to prepare the drive for use. You finish by enabling trim support in the operating system to maintain long-term write performance and make sure the correct storage driver is active so throughput is maximized. If migrating, clone with a sector-aware tool or opt for a clean install to avoid legacy config issues, then confirm boot order and system activation. If something goes wrong, check basics first. Reseat the drive, swap the SATA cable, or try a different M2 slot. Update firmware and BIOS. If needed, test the SSD in another machine to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.